When they're very little, it's not so hard to control a child's sugar intake. But as they get older, steering them away from a sugary diet gets more and more difficult.
I try and discourage, well, why don't you have a bit of fruit first and then have a bit of that? But it's hard to instill it into them.
Just depends on the parent, I think, and who gives them the certain sweets and who doesn't.
The government could do more to help parents to make it clearer what it is they're purchasing, to help parents make a better choice.
Now, new research has shown just how much excess sugar Britain's children are eating. Don't worry about the sugar that is naturally locked up in things like fruit, veg and milk. That's not the concern here. We're talking about the sugar in processed foods, and the maximum amount of that a child of 10 should eat is 24 grams a day. But on average, children are eating more than double that amount. And just see how that adds up. In a year, it means a child eats 10 kilograms more sugar than is healthy for them.
Just because our children are running around and we think that they look okay on the outside, if they're having too much sugar, that's causing harmful fat to build up inside their bodies. And as they get older, they are more likely to put on weight, become overweight and obese, which of course has major consequences for their health.
This new campaign is urging parents to swap high sugar products for healthier alternatives.
Now Mum's got an easy way to cut back on sugar, with lower sugar swaps on the things we eat every day.
But food manufacturers are also meant to be helping by making their recipes less sugary. The government's set target is a 20% reduction in 4 years. Progress so far leaves the industry a long way from reaching that.
I think it's worth saying in our defence that if you look at the work that's been done on reducing salt in the diet, that's taken us about 15 years. We've reduced salt in the diet by about 11%, and that's regarded widely as world-leading. So to try and get 20% of sugar out of the national diet in 4 years is a really stretching target. But yes, there is a huge amount of work going on to try and meet it.
From parents to shops, manufacturers to government, giving the UK's children a diet that is low in sugar is everyone's concern. Catherine Jones, 5 News.